Hey everyone, welcome to This Explainer. Okay, so today we are breaking down a literal paradigm shift that is happening right now in the world of B2B website conversions. If you've ever looked at your company's website and felt like it's kind of just acting as a static digital brochure, just gathering dust while your sales team is off the clock, you are absolutely going to want to pay close attention. We're diving into a platform called Expertise AI, and it is fundamentally changing how businesses capture leads and actually engage with their traffic. Let's get right into it.
So I want you to ask yourself honestly, is your website actually acting as a 24/7 sales engine? Think about your current setup for a second. We spend all this time, all this energy, and serious marketing budget driving traffic. But what actually happens when a high-intent prospect lands on your site at, say, 11 p.m. on a Friday? Usually, absolutely nothing. They might get a clunky form to fill out, or maybe a generic, unhelpful prompt asking for an email address. That right there is the pain of lost website leads. In today's hyper-competitive B2B landscape, that kind of basic passive engagement just doesn't cut it anymore. It's basically a leaky bucket for your revenue pipeline.
To really get why the solution matters, we have to look at the old way versus the new way. We've all been there with traditional chatbots, right? They're rigid, they're passive, they're rule-based systems, and let's be totally honest, they usually just send you in agonizing circles until you're practically typing "speak to human" in all caps. But AI sales agents, they represent a total 180. Instead of simple chatbots that just deflect support tickets and end up frustrating your buyers, we are looking at proactive, intelligent AI that actually initiates real, dynamic sales dialogues.
Okay, let's dive into this. What exactly is an AI sales agent? Well, think of it as an intelligent platform that completely rips and replaces those outdated chatbots to engage prospects naturally, qualify them, and actually book meetings in real time. Expertise AI essentially acts as a proactive sales rep living right there on your digital front door. It doesn't just sit around waiting to be clicked. It steps up, starts the conversation, understands what the buyer actually wants, and drives the pipeline forward. Honestly, just like your best human account executive would. Let's walk through what this actually looks like for a visitor on your site. The whole journey breaks down into 3 distinct steps. Step 1, proactive engagement. The agent spots a high-intent visitor and kicks off a natural contextual conversation. Step 2, and honestly this is where the tech gets wild, is dynamic microsite generation. Based on exactly what the prospect says in the chat, the AI instantly generates tailored landing pages with relevant content, images, and calls to action right on the fly. It's literally building a custom website for that specific buyer in milliseconds. And finally, step 3, meeting booked via integrations. The prospect is fully qualified and scheduled on a rep's calendar before they even think about closing their browser tab. Now, to pull off that kind of dynamic experience, the platform relies on a few core capabilities. And the absolute game changer here is the Voice AI and Playbooks feature. You're not just handing the AI a rigid, clunky decision tree. It supports natural voice conversations and beautifully replicates your exact sales processes using natural language playbooks. Combine that with visitor identification and intelligence, meaning the AI actually knows who is visiting and enriches the chat with deep context, and suddenly you've got a highly personalized interaction. Add in the comprehensive analytics dashboard, and your sales leaders get crystal clear insights into engagement, conversions, and exactly how well the agent is performing. Of course, any powerful tool is only as good as its ability to talk to the rest of your tech stack. For the revenue leaders tuning in, the seamless integrations with HubSpot, Salesforce, Slack, WhatsApp, and others are absolutely crucial. This is what ensures automatic lead syncing and perfectly smooth handoffs to your human sales team. So when the AI books that 2 a.m. meeting, all the contextual data and those customized microsite details drop right into your CRM instantly. Zero manual data entry, zero lost context. All right, let's talk numbers, because this is the so what of it all. What is the actual impact on revenue? Let this number sink in for a second. 84%. According to user data, teams are seeing an 84% lift in their chat-to-lead conversion rates. That is a massive, data-driven leap. We aren't talking about a cute little 5% optimization tweak here. We are talking about nearly doubling the number of qualified leads pulled directly from your existing website traffic simply by upgrading how you engage them.
And, the community data totally backs this up. One user reported that Expertise AI, quote, handles nuanced conversations and books meetings even after hours, end quote. Other users are noting that it truly runs real sales dialogues and drives real results, leaving those traditional, rigid chatbots entirely in the dust. I mean, imagine the peace of mind knowing your pipeline is actively growing with highly qualified meetings while you and your sales team are sound asleep.
Now, keeping things completely objective in this explainer, let's weigh where this platform shines against its real-world downsides. It is an absolute powerhouse at converting website traffic into a qualified pipeline, creating hyper-personalized buyer experiences, and significantly reducing your support load. But there's a catch. This platform requires you to already have clear sales processes and content in place. The AI has to learn from your specific playbooks, which means the setup and training require a real initial time investment from your team. Furthermore, the pricing is geared specifically toward growing B2B teams, making it a strategic investment, not just some casual, cheap plugin. So factoring all of those pros and cons in, the platform currently maintains a stellar 4.8 out of 5 stars rating. Users note that it is just outstanding for its conversion impact, the personalization, and its pure sales capabilities, with really only minor notes regarding that initial setup time we just talked about. For companies serious about turning their website into a relentless revenue driver, this rating perfectly reflects its position as a highly capable and results-driven platform. Oh, real quick, just a tangible little bonus if you're looking to explore this further. You can actually earn a 1 Kua reward via the Quasa platform when you check out the Expertise AI project over there. It's a great little extra perk for taking the next step and exploring this cutting-edge tech for your own organization.
Which brings us to a final thought I want to leave you with today. If your competitors are out there right now using AI to run real, dynamic sales dialogues 24/7, instantly engaging high-intent prospects, and building dynamic microsites on the fly, can you really afford to stick with a basic passive chatbot? The landscape of B2B website conversions has fundamentally changed forever. I hope this explainer has given you a clear, structured look into exactly how this technology works. Keep asking the right questions about your tech stack, and hey, thanks for learning with us today.